Seeking English, S.A.T. Workbook, page 398, problem 2, no calculator. You'll notice that it has percentages. When I see no calculator combined with percentages, I know that more than half the time, not sure how much, but more than half the time, it will actually be faster, easier, and less dangerous to convert the percentages into fractions, manipulate them as fractions, and then convert them back. Really? Yes, but teacher isn't that extra work? Try it both ways a few times. Form your own opinion. My opinion is not the only thing that matters here. I'm telling you what I've observed. You don't have to trust me. Okay, try it yourself. It's much better if you try it yourself. Okay, in the meantime, it says, an 8-ounce mixture. Oh yeah, 8 and 100 combines great already, doesn't it? No. Okay. An 8-ounce mixture of oil and vinegar is 75% oil. If 2 ounces of vinegar are added, what percentage of the new mixture is vinegar? And you may already see where I'm going with this. I don't know what percentage of students make this mistake, but the most common mistake that students make is that they calculate as if the new fluid is going to displace old fluid that is removed. That's not what the problem says. And if you have never done this kind of thing in the kitchen, it may not be obvious to you. And oddly, some of my students have not done anything like this in the kitchen. I think most people have. If you add salt to water, it will it'll increase the mass of the water without increasing the volume. But oil and vinegar don't work that way. Oil and vinegar don't mix, so one does not dissolve into the other one and disappear. Okay, that's not mentioned in the problem, but I am trying to help you in case they by chance give you oil and vinegar again. I don't think they will. It says that 8-ounce mixture, so I've broken this first container. Imagine this is a cylinder view from the side. Unrealistically divided into 8 ounces. 75% is going to be 3/4, or 6 out of 8. So that's oil, 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 and vinegar and vinegar. 6 ounces of oil, 2 ounces of vinegar. You can see 3/4 or 75% is oil, 25% is vinegar. Now, the container, if you've conceptualized it as being full, you're going to have a problem. Okay, if you've conceptualized it as this is empty space up here, okay? Empty space enough to add 2 more ounces of fluid, which is what we said, what the problem says we do. Okay? This is going to be the same vinegar, vinegar, oil, 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 oil. Yes, I know I'm making it complicated, but I'm also making sure that you get it right. Okay? This is vinegar and vinegar. Now, instead of having these 8 ounces, okay, we are now going to have 10 ounces. So these 2 vinegars are 2/8. That is 1/4 of the original total amount of fluid, not including this empty space which we have now filled up. These 4 ounces of vinegar are 4 out of 10. Okay, you say 4. Can't see that. 4 out of 10. Okay. If we wanted to convert this to percentages, all we have to do is add a 0, and of course add a 0. So 40% would be vinegar, and the question was, how much is vinegar? So the correct answer is C. Okay, if you did this incorrectly, the way that most students who do it incorrectly, you would get this answer, this 50% here. Okay, I'm not sure where the 20 and the 30 come from. So if you, as always, if you have a reason why somebody would end up with 20 or 30 other than doing it wrong on a calculator, let me know. Okay. If you help me with these problems, I will help you with every problem I can help you.